Alright, so I just want to show you how to create a very simple um, animation using Flipgrid. So I'll just go to record a response. For example, this is from a point of view of student, and we can see that uh, there is no option for changing the background. I heard that it will come up in August, so fingers crossed for that. So but just for now, just go to effects to insert background. It's just like you're adding a sticker. I'll just add a photo, for example. Now bear in mind that PNG's JPG format supported only. So I'll just click on that, or you can just drag it if you have it already. Let me see. Alright, so I'm thinking of a life cycle of a butterfly. So I'll have a greenery there. Actually, this one I got it from free Pixabay picture. Now it's smaller here, so you just need to drag it to fill up the space. So just drag it until it looks as it is in the background. Let me just see how I can do. I'll just use the ratio, for example, and make it bigger. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's my background for my butterfly cycle. I just search in stickers for my butterfly. Yeah, there it is. Let's just see if they have caterpillar. Alright. Yeah, there is a caterpillar, so it will come up. Yep. So you can see that we have this one. You can resize it. Alright, you can resize it and so on and so forth. Okay, if there's nothing, I don't think there is any pupa or in the sticker selection there, so I could just add a photo, PNG photos. You can find it online. If you don't have it, you can just find any. You can use remove background online. I have it already, so I'll just choose the pictures that I had earlier. This one, I think we'll just add one by one. So I have this one. I'll upload another one, which is pupa. This is the one that I removed the background. Yeah. So there you go. I have it. You can add more like flowers or anything like that. Okay. And this is how it works actually. So I'll just make it slightly so that you can't see it, because I will have to move it within frames. I could type in the, what do you call that? I could type in the text, maybe I want to say it, the life story of butterfly, for example. So exactly as if you're telling a story instead. Okay, I could add that on top there, and then when you're ready, you could start your story. Okay. So while you're talking, it all started when my mommy, a beautiful monarch butterfly, laid us on a leaf. Within a few weeks, we will hatch. Just you wait. Okay, and then I pause it, and then I remove this, and then I go to the next scene. Okay. I'm a caterpillar, and you can move it around like that. I'm ready to leave my egg. Hello world. Chomp, 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 chomp. I love this. Leaves. So something like that. Okay, so you can pause it and then move and then change the positions and all. And when you're ready, just click next and then ready to share. Thank you.